Hello everyone, how are you all? So today let's learn about some award-winning authors of Indian origin and their writings. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯕꯦꯜꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯏꯕ, ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯏꯕ, ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯩꯗ ꯑꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯐꯪꯕꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯔ ꯈꯪꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯁꯦꯕ ꯉꯁꯤꯀꯣ. So author, writing, award. Author Salman Rushdie. Writing Midnight Children, The Moon's Last Sign, The Satanic Verses, Shame, Fury, and he got the award for Booker Prize in 1981 for Midnight Children. Bikram Seth. Writing The Golden Gate, Unequal Music, A Suitable Girl, 2013, Summer Requiem, and he got Padma Shri in Literature and Education in 2007. Arundhati Roy. Writing The God of Small Things, The Algebra at Infinite Justice, and she got the award for Booker Prize in 1997 for The God of Small Things. Rohinton Mistry. Writing Such a Long Journey, Family Matters, A Fine Balance, and he got the prize for Booker Prize in 1991 for Such a Long Journey. B.S. Naipaul. Writing A House for Mr. Biswas, India a Wounded Civilization, An Area of Darkness, India a Million Mutinies Now, The Mask of Africa, A Band in the River. He got the Nobel Prize in Literature in 2001 for having united perceptive narrative and incorruptible scrutiny in works that compel. Amitabh Ghosh. The Circle of Reason, River of Smoke, The Glass Palace, Shadow Line, The Calcutta Chromosome, The Hungry Tide, In an Antique Land, The Great Derangement, Sea of Poppies, Flood of Fire. Amitabh Ghosh got Padma Shri by Government of India in 2007 for his best work in English language. Jhumpa Lahiri. Writings The Namesake, The Interpreter of Melodies, The Unaccustomed Earth. She got a Pulitzer Prize in 2000 for The Namesake. Shashi Tharoor. Writings The Great Indian Novel, Show Business, Indira Sastra, Reflections on the Nation in Our Time, India, From Midnight to Millennium, An Era of Darkness, British Empire in India, Why I Am Hindu, and he got the prize for Commonwealth Writers' Prize, the Great Indian Novel, Sahitya Akademi Award in 2019 for An Era of Darkness, British Empire in India. Upamanyu Chatterjee. Writings The Memories of the Welfare State, and he got the prize for Sahitya Akademi Award in 2004 for The Memories of the Welfare State. And Upamanyu Chatterjee also wrote English, August Indian History, Way to Go, The Last Burden, Weight Loss. Arvind Adiga. Writings The White Tiger, Between the Assassinations, Last Man in Tower, and Arvind Adiga got the award for this Man Booker Prize in 2008. Kiran Desai. Writings The Inheritance of Loss, Hula Baloo in the Guava Island. And also, Kiran Desai got the Man Booker Prize in 2006. Thank you.